Hey, hello, my name is Cynthia, and welcome to another video of the Lady Hustle channel. So I am six-figure business, and Amazon and eBay and other platforms changed my life and my family's life, and I hope seeing all these videos change yours too, and you can learn something from my experience. And I love to teach. I love to share my journey, my tips with you. So if you are interested to know more about Amazon, eBay, or all these platforms, I hope that you consider subscribe. And today we have a Squishmallow hunting, and the first parts are with my husband, and the last one was just me. Try to check it out if we find more, and I will tell you at the end how much profit we will make for the hunting. Let's go. Okay, so today we just figured out there you can find the Squishmallows at Dollar General, and it was really good, right, baby? Right, baby? Do you like to hunt the Squishmallows, baby?
Squishmallows, Dollar General. Who knew?
Yeah, so we found out the one, so we are going to check in another one. So yeah, let's check it out.
At least two more before we go home.
How many?
Two more before we go home.
Yeah, so two more. And then I will let you know how much profit you can make with those Squishmallows in Dollar General. By the time that you watch this video, they probably are gone, right? Right?
Big help there.
I'm sorry, but it's just for let you know that you can find the Squishmallows in Dollar General. They probably release different ones, right? Anytime, like they do in the Walgreens or they do in CVS. But who knows? You can make money in the Dollar General with Squishmallows. Well, so it's 4:30, and we are at the second Dollar General. If you don't know, that's the Dollar General. There is. You think it's people don't know about the Dollar General yet?
Everybody knows about Dollar General. They just don't know Squishmallows is at Dollar General. Dollar General is a chain.
Toys? Yeah. There it is. We are in the toys section. You can find really good toys in here for you coming to skate. I guess we got good luck with the first one, baby. Right?
So far, we'll see.
Check it out. Looks like more toys in here. Yep. Well, it looks like we got good look in the first one. I used to sell this ones a lot. Maybe it worth to try to check it out again.
Wah, wah, wah.
Well, go to the next one, right? I guess we're leaving, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Nada aquí.
Now what?
Nadia. No, that's nobody, right?
Yeah.
How do you say nothing?
Nada.
Oh,
Nada aquí.
Okay.
Perfect. Good Spanish.
¿Mi español no correcto?
Yes, your español correcto.
Mucho bien. Mucho bien.
Let's go then.
A few minutes later.
We didn't find nothing in the second one, right? So we are in the third one, the third Dollar General.
Dollar General number
3. Yeah. That was cool. So we'll see if we find out something. If you know well, probably I will go tomorrow and I will add more footage to this because I get excited when I found new Squishmallows, right, baby?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Squishmallows is a gold mine. It's a coal mine for us.
Gold mine, yes.
Yes, is it? Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay.
Gold mine.
So let's check it out. This is the third one in our town. So our town is really small. So yeah, it's just 3.
Population of 8,000 people.
8,000 people only. So yeah, a little bit more footage for what we found in this one, and then if you know, I will add more tomorrow. You will not be with me. Bum, bum, bum. But I can add more, and then I will show you what I found and which ones I pick it up. Probably you can find them in yours. I don't know, maybe, right, in the future. And how much we will make, and if it's worth it or not to find these Squishmallows. So yep, let's go to the other one. So there we go. Dollar General. It's 7:30. We found the aisle really fast in this one, but I don't see that blue box. I think that, ooh, see? They are gone. They are gone. So now, other Dollar Generals have them too.
And then they are gone.
Yeah, so checking all the time on the top of the shelves to see if they got it, but they don't. That Keepa say, "Hurry, right, baby." He said, "Hurry, right, baby."
That is here.
Yes.
Scanning.
Yeah, we should be scanning for St. Valentine's, but yeah, it's done for us. Seems more here. No, this Dollar General have a lot of stuff though. See those little bags in there? They are so cute. And they even got a aisle for the clearance. It's all the time, but they side of the $1 items. So yeah, I always like to come in here because sometimes these items are really good to scan. So we will make another video for that one. Yeah. So see, this is a really good brand to check it out all the time. There. But I'm trying to check it out more clearance and see what else we can find them, because we didn't find the Squishmallows, right? So what you got there, baby? Let me see. Brody. Hey, little thing. Let's check it out.
So it says, Brody loves flying and dreams of one day becoming a pilot. Ooh, Brody. Okay.
So Barry found this one too. Retail. Ah, we didn't find a listing for that one, but he's so cute. Yes, you are cute. He's a cute baby. What? Was it a good one?
Yes, real good.
A few minutes later.
We haven't found the Squishmallows, but we found items for you can sell to Easter. 4 days after you saw that intro with Hobby, and pretty much we haven't checked it out, the Walmarts, because we had some stuff out there at the warehouse and it wasn't pay off. So this is the reason like going more slow, because I am working with my same profits, and I want that because I want a healthy business and I don't want this. We visit two Dollar General. We haven't found nothing, just two of the items. This is one of the items that I was looking, and this is this little cutie. See how cute it is. His name is Drew, and it's a dragon. I guess it's a dragonfly. And I was looking another one that I will show you in here, and we didn't find them. So sadly, that's the one that was making more profit, and it was worth the treat because I am like 45 minutes from home, so that's far away. Well, we will visit $2 more and we will wrap it up about the profits and the time investing and all that, and if you're worth enough. And let's see if you can do this. Of course, when you are just starting and you don't have money, as I said before, you have more time, so you can doing this kind of stuff. You can invest more time in scanning out there. The retail arbitrage is the part where you can start it, and it will work to start because it's a lot more low investment and it's low risk. So yeah, let's see. I love numbers, and I want to share with you this trip. It was worth the try, and if you, I recommend to you that you're doing this kind of model. This is what I've been doing the past 3 years, and that makes me the 6-figure business I got right now. I think it's productive or no, it definitely is not, because probably you can make, if you have any skills that you can develop better, probably you will make more money doing something else. But if you don't have any skills, you don't have experience, and you think that you don't have nothing to show or offer out there, this is a really good model. It's the cool part of what we did. We took in the Dollar Generals, but in a way we stopped in a Walmart, which makes us a lot more profit than what we was looking. So in total we spent $187. Then our gross profit just for the items that we found at the Dollar General is $223, and the total profits after fees and everything, it was $69. So for those $69, the 31% is a profit gross margin and 102% ROI. If it is worth it or not? Yes, it does, because it's for 6 hours of work. That means that you make around $10 for each hour that you put. It's a little bit more higher on some average income in some states, and here it will worth the try. And plus that it don't end in there. We found more items in Walmart in a way, and the cool point is we found this really cool item that I will show you in here. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted about it. I found this fuzzy cute piggy that I will leave the name in here because I don't know how to pronounce it. And we will make a total profit for this trip around $468.77. If you're worth it, yes it does, because at the end the total of hours that we put for made us $468 more than what you will do for these 6 hours if you have a 9-to-5 job. Probably if you are a doctor or lawyer, this is not for you, because probably you will make a lot more. But coming for somebody that came from another country and I've been building my way up to have my own business. This is a lot. So if it works or not, yes, it does for me, and I am keeping doing it because I like the shopping, and plus I can share with you my journey, and plus it's a really good opportunity for people they want to start their own business. I can do it, you can do it too, and blessings. See you in the next video. Bye. What happened, baby? What happened, baby?
You are gonna edit out the, you know, cutting out what makes it realistic, like the human part. Like I would say, and then.
Yeah.
And then, and then, and
Yeah.
then, and then, and then. Okay, and then is me.
Yeah, that's
If I
true.
say and then, it is me. We're making the video, and then either you like this video, or and then you don't.
Okay. Well, after that, the pet talk, there might
You'll probably edit that out.
probably I don't. Who's that? Well,